How many of you have ever bought a cable and had it fray or get destroyed, or even your stock standard iPhone cables destroyed in a matter of months? What if I told you there was a really cheap way to prevent this from ever happening again? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm your host, Original Dobo. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the end of the video. There's a lot of cool stuff here most times. Tudia, who has done a couple of collaborations with me with cases and whatnot, has sent me out these, which are the Tudia Clips. And they're a fairly interesting product. Now, the purpose of these clips is to protect and prevent your iPhone or Android cables from getting frayed or broken. Now, these clips work in a two-part process. They have a silicone base which goes over the cable, and then they have a clip that reinforces the most fragile portion of your clip. And they would work just as you would expect. They slip on pretty easily. They do add a little bit of size to your cable itself, but it's nothing really dramatic or too horrendous. What I like about it, though, is it does make it easier to sort of find the right end of the cable, and it's not something that normally I would have ever thought about buying or even using. This is not going to help you use a cable that's already broken. The intent of these are to prevent damage from happening to a cable that doesn't have any damage. Now, they do come in a bunch of fun colors. You have blue, yellow, pink, green, and like a gray color. I personally, I'm a big fan of the pink. Now, these would be great if you wanted to sort of identify which cable is yours and maybe which cable is your spouse's. But yeah, I'm definitely liking the Tudia Clips. They work really well, they're super cheap, and it's gonna save me a lot of money from having to buy additional cables in the future. I'll go ahead and include a link in the description below if you wanna check them out. They're like $6.99 for a set of, I believe you're getting 10 clips for a $6.99, so that's pretty good because your average lightning cable to replace is about $10.99. If you can prevent damage to your official lightning cables and keep your cables longer, that's going to be much better. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. This I'm going to consider Fast Friday because this video is all done in under 2 minutes. So if you enjoyed the content of today, make sure you hit that like button. Lets me know you want me to continue making videos just like this. As always, I want to thank you for being part of my channel, reminding you to stay original. I will catch you next time.